Welcome back. Here we go again. Abraham Hicks, Money and the Law of Attraction. Leaving off yesterday, we talked about a positive aspects bedtime process. Going to sleep each night, deliberately going to sleep consciously. As I'm falling asleep, lying in bed, acknowledging to myself that as I sleep, all attraction to my body will stop. I will be able to realign my energy with the source. I will wake up in the morning refreshed, and then focusing upon positive aspects of my day, prime the positive pump by saying to myself, the thing I liked about that was, okay, well, I did it last night. I did it as I was falling asleep. It's very exciting to me because I sleep. How many times in my life so far have I gone to sleep and woke up? And if I was doing this every time, well, I'm going to be here to give you the report on it, but already I am feeling the power of it. And so I primed the positive pump saying the thing I liked about that was, my favorite part about that was, then I fell asleep. I woke up in the morning and I felt different this morning. And I actually had the thought, I'm awake, which Abraham says today. I wrote it down in a passage that I did today about the, you got it, positive aspects morning process. So they're continuing on with, so I go to sleep at night and I wake up in the morning. I wrote it down, audible, listening to it in my headphones out there in the sunshine after meditation. Here's what I wrote from the teachings of Abraham, Money and the Law of Attraction. This chapter is called An Example of a Positive Aspects Morning Process. As you awaken the next morning, you will be in that positive, good feeling place, and your first thoughts will be something like, I am awake. I reemerged back into the physical. Pretty cool, because that's what I thought. I am awake. Lie there for a little while and bask in the comfort of your bed. And then offer a thought such as, today, no matter where I am going and no matter what I am doing, no matter who I'm doing it with, it is my dominant intent to look for things that feel good. When I feel good, I am vibrating with my higher power. What a statement. When I feel good, I am vibrating with my higher power. How neat. Higher power and higher power, okay? You ever want a little power? I want power in my corner. I choose power in life. When I feel good, I'm vibrating with my higher power. So making this decision that today, no matter where I'm going, no matter what I'm doing, no matter who I'm doing it with, my dominant intent is to feel good. Make that my statement when I wake up. I am awake. I reemerge back in the physical. And today, no matter where I go, no matter what I do, no matter who I'm doing it with, my dominant intent is to feel good because when I feel good, I'm vibrating with my higher power. When I feel good, I'm in harmony with that which I consider good. And when I feel good, I'm in the mode of attracting that which will please me when it gets here. And when I feel good, and it's good to feel good. It's good to feel good. If the only thing it ever brought you is the way you feel in the moment. But feeling good brings so much more beyond that. We would lie in bed for 2 or 3 minutes, that's enough, and we would look for positive aspects of our surroundings. And then as we move into the day, we would begin to acknowledge more positive aspects, looking for more and more reasons to feel good, no matter what the object of our attention is. What a great idea. Really, looking at life and finding reasons to feel good instead of looking at life and finding problems, seeing why I'm screwed over and why things don't go my way. Looking at life and trying to find reasons to feel good. In the first moment of any negative emotion, which will likely occur even though you've begun your day looking for reasons to feel good. So negative emotion is going to happen until it doesn't. It's okay. Be okay with it. Make peace with it. Make peace with the process here. Because there's some subjects that already have negative momentum in motion. So don't worry about it. Helpful to understand that even as I go through my day, I go to sleep deliberately, I wake up in the morning looking for positive aspects, looking for reasons to feel good, there is still some subjects in my life that have negative momentum going. So when that subject comes up, I'm going to notice the negative emotion. When I notice the negative emotion, congratulate myself for being aware of my guidance system. I have notifications turned on, baby. When you have that negative emotion, the first inclination of any negative emotion, we would stop and say, I choose to feel good. I'm feeling some negative emotion, which means that I'm focusing upon something that I do not choose. Now, what is it that I do choose? That's the process of pivoting. What a great process. Really works good for me. I've been using it more and more, and it is a miracle worker. Why? Because it takes me from the negative to the positive, and I actually use the negative to pivot, to give myself leverage over to the positive, to springboard myself to the positive. Then we would turn our attention immediately to that which we choose, staying focused upon the new thought or positive thought long enough that we would feel the positive energy begin to flow in our body. So when I'm feeling that good feeling, that's my indicator that I have thought that thought long enough. The law of attraction is responding, and now my point of attraction has changed, which means that I am now creating a future I'm going to like when it gets here. I'm attracting things to me that when they get here, I'm going to be joyful because I'm joyful in the moment. As we move through our day, we would look for more and more reasons to have fun and to laugh. Okay? This is such great advice. So funny, really, that we have to hear this, and I do. But what a great idea. Go through life looking for reasons to laugh. Go through life looking for reasons to have fun. Try to have fun. Prove it. Prove that life's fun. Prove that life can be funny. Yes, we have things that we have to deal with, but the manner in which I deal with them is up to me. Choose to feel good, and when you do not take things so seriously, when you're not taking things so seriously, you're not as likely to notice the lack of something wanted. And when you're not focused on the lack of what you desire, then you just feel better. And when you feel better, you attract more of what you do desire, and your life gets better and better and better. Not to take things so seriously. What great advice. Don't take things so seriously. Try to find the fun in things. Then that night, as you lie in your bed, you'll have wonderful things to ponder as you drift off to your refreshing, restful sleep. And then you'll awaken feeling, boy, I really tried to fit that word in at the end of the page. And then you'll awaken feeling refreshed to a wonderful new day. Look at it. Seriously? Can't even see it, can you? Yeah, I can't read it either, obviously. Okay, so what's the point here? The point is wake up in the morning with the positive mental attitude, looking for reasons to feel good. Try to feel good. Make feeling good my goal. Make that what I'm doing, feeling good. I'm going to think things that are fun. I'm going to try to find fun in my life. I'm going to try to laugh. I'm going to look for reasons to laugh, look for reasons to have fun. Try not to take life so seriously. When I catch myself doing it, when I catch myself in negative emotion, remind myself that that negative feeling means that I am currently attracting something I do not choose. My current train of thought, my perspective, is causing me to attract a future reality that I'm not going to like when it gets here. And when I feel good, not only do I feel good in the moment, which ought to be enough, because it's good to feel good, but when I feel good, it means I'm resonating with my higher power. There we go again. Resonate with my higher power. I mean, come on, what can't that higher power solve? And it's only me not resonating with it. Why I'm feeling down, looking up. Looking up. What do you say before we go on our way here today? A little hydration is in order. What did you say? I'm decided to hydrate my physical vessel. So I got this bottle. It's a half gallon, and it's been helping me to have this big bottle. And just drink it, Just go ahead and just drink it. Put the water down my gullet and see what happens. Currently a theory. What would happen if I drank a gallon of pure water per day? So I'm going to be reporting in to you as I do. All right, people, it's a joy to be here. Until next time, I'll be practicing and reporting in on my findings. So far, so good.